它那个山上有雪。那边好漂亮哦，前面就是海哦。那边有一个很帅的房车，好像颜色比我的车要帅一点，但是我的更纯净，更纯白。看我的小门它。We parked. Looks like this is going to be our parking spot for the night. Liang Liang is here. Hmm? 你又看到啥了？shelter 的感觉。Yulunbun 안녕하세요。我最近韩国的那个 camping video 看多了。I watched too many Korean camping videos. Hi, this is Ariel. Welcome back. We are at the campground today near Sunset State Beach, and I just spent so much effort putting my onion out. There is not sun, and actually there is potentially rain, but still I want to use my onion. It's pretty manual. Today has been quite an interesting day. We drove from home to here. It took us like 2 hours, and I felt a lot like I drove through the city and now I'm finally out of the city. I especially felt really crowded when I was having lunch earlier. 爸爸，我们去吃个饭，很快就回来哦。年糕，The wait was super long, and then I have strangers sitting right next to me sharing the same table. That was making me a little bit uncomfortable. But nevertheless, the food was really good. And now that I'm at the campsite, you can hear birds chirping, and I can finally calm down and feel the slow living that I've been craving for, and the reason why I go on this camping trip. Let's start. I changed to this cup from this cup because the water was so hot, so hard to boil outside. It's so cold. So we're just gonna microwave and drink the tea from inside. Mm.漂亮！你看那个右边那个云彩上面还是有一点点红，然后山都在云层里。4月份还是很冷。The sun is setting. Simple dinner tonight. Just warm up what's left from lunch. You can hear outside it's already raining. Spicy tuna. 雨声好好听哦。Good morning. Wow. Oh. Hiya.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.